In this video, we're going to put the Otterbox Defender case on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Before we do that though, I want to talk about this part of the case. Now, I've used Otterbox Defender cases for a lot of years. I've used them on iPhones, Android phones, and I've always found that this part of the case with this inner protective material acted like a sponge. That, when you got this thing wet, it took forever to get it dry. It was a real hassle. However, with this case, I noticed it felt a little bit different, so I took a chance and I got it wet and had absolutely no problem getting this thing dry. Okay, this part of the case though, I would still recommend around here, just taking like a damp cloth and going around here like that to get it done. But if you do want to, wash the whole thing with soap and water, now this material is no problem getting it dry. Same thing with the rest of the case, a little, lukewarm water, dish soap, you clean the case very easily. Okay, now let's get into putting the case on the 16 Pro Max. Okay, now first thing you want to do, here's your cameras on the phone. Line it up with the camera cutout on this plastic part. Okay, now this will seem kind of awkward, but it's really not. But just my camera is, the angle that I'm working at. Okay, and this frame part, you'll see here's the camera control cutout. Line that up. Okay, and you'll start hearing it snapping into place. Okay, and the snapping you were hearing was these where the arrows were. It clicks into place. Okay, except right up here at the top, there's a tab right there, but there's no arrow pointing at it. Okay, so now we'll put on this outer rubber protective part. Again, the camera cutout. Okay, sorry for that light reflection. And again, this is not really difficult to put on. It's just the angle that I'm at. So, okay, how's that look? Okay, I think I got that on there pretty good. Oh, a little bit at the bottom. Okay. Okay, again, I have to repeat it. This thing's not easy. I mean, not difficult at all to get this thing on. Like I said, it's just the angle that I'm working at. Okay, the action button works. Volume up and down, press very easily. At the bottom here, your speaker cutouts and your charging port is covered. There's the power button, and here is the part that I do not like, which is this new camera button. This cutout, it just looks weird and it just looks like something is missing. I don't like that look at all. It doesn't feel bad when, whether you're holding it in your right hand or your left hand, in my opinion. It just feels weird and like something is missing. It feels awkward. It just doesn't look good. I don't like this at all. I mean, I think I probably will at some point look for a better rugged case, but yeah, I don't know what Otterbox was thinking when they did this. I mean, there had to have been a better solution, I would think, because that is just so awkward looking. And so, okay, usual, Otterbox, if you drop it, you have good protection. Although keep in mind, if you, on a flat surface, your camera will be okay. So will your screen. However, if there's something jagged, you could hit one of these lenses and break it. Same thing with the front. That's why you want a screen protector, because on a flat surface, you might just hit the rims, but if something is poking up, it'll hit the screen. So again, you want a screen protector. Which brings us to this cutout here. Now, it would be probably very difficult, but then again, totally possible that if you drop this phone and there's something, sticking up like a piece of metal on the ground or a rock, you could very easily hit the button, the frame, or both, and cause some scratching or some damage because it's just totally, as you can see, exposed. Okay, probably not likely to happen, but then again, it's possible it could happen. Something to keep in mind. But so that's the Otterbox Defender case. And one thing, let me grab my MagSafe charger. So this case has MagSafe. Let's get the thing on there. And the magnet it's pretty strong. You know, got pretty good, grip for the MagSafe. But yeah, it's up to you to decide what you think about this cutout. Myself, I don't like it. It just instantly feels weird. And it's probably something, I'll get used to and you'll get used to too. But I don't know. There had to have been a better solution than this, I would imagine. But I could be wrong. But all right. Thanks for watching. Okay, one more thing I wanted to add about this camera button cutout that I forgot to before is that it's a very tight seal between the case and the frame. However, I could see this over time starting to loosen up all around here, and dirt and grime being able to get into here. So that's another thing, I just don't like about that, is I think that's entirely likely to happen, that this will loosen up over time and stuff will start getting in there. But all right, again, thanks for watching.